どこでもアートどこでもアート
Hi there, I'm your clay teacher. Today is clay play day. Guess what? Today, we're not just playing with clay, we're also going to have some fun with cool tools. So, grab your stuff, and let's get started.
First things first, let's set up our workspace. You can use a clay board, a clear file, or even an empty milk carton. Take your time, no rush, slowly pull out your materials and let's get ready to roll. And here it comes, the clay. It's been a while since we've used it, so it might feel a little tough. Don't worry. Let's give it a good squeeze with our hands to warm it up. It'll start getting softer the more you squish it. Now, let's roll. Oh wow, look at that. We've made a slithering snake out of clay. Today, we're going to play with clay using two cool tools. First, we have the string from last time, and second, some chopsticks. To keep our chopsticks safe while we play, let's wrap the ends in some soft cloth tape so they don't snap. So, what can we do with chopsticks? Did you make a big clay ball and stick it on the tip of your chopstick? When I put my chopstick on the floor, look. It stands up. Wait, I just thought of something awesome. Let's make another clay stick using the one we already made, and voila! Now, grab a little clay ball, attach it to the big one, and watch it stick together like glue. Next, take another small clay and stick it to the big one. Look! It's connected. It's standing up, just like a little clay tower. I decided to get creative and started adding more fun stuff. I added some chopsticks to the top of my clay, then made a little clay sandwich right on top. Squeak! It looks like I can stack one more layer on top. Now it's 2 layers high. Wow, it looks like we could even open a shop here. How about we pretend to be bakers? Freshly baked bread coming right up. We also made all kinds of other fun things with chopsticks and string. What did you make? I can't wait to hear about it. Don't forget to experiment and try new things. Ask your parents to take pictures of your favorite creations, and be sure to share them with us. You can also post your finished creations on the web art gallery. We can't wait to see them. Thanks so much for watching until the end. See you again soon. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.